Missing important calls? Your phone might be the problem. Let's fix it. Check airplane mode and do not disturb. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. Look for the airplane mode icon. If it's turned on, tap it once to switch it off. This restores your network connection instantly. Next, check the Do Not Disturb setting. If it's enabled, your phone may silence or block incoming calls, so be sure to turn it off. Once both airplane mode and Do Not Disturb are disabled, try receiving a call again. If you're still facing the issue, don't worry. Check blocked numbers. Open the phone app on your device. Look at the top left corner and click the 3 horizontal lines. Here, tap on Settings. Look for the option Blocked Numbers and click on it. If the number trying to reach you is on this list, simply remove it from the blocked list to start receiving calls from that number again. Check Call Forwarding. Go back to the main settings page. Click on the Calling Accounts option. Here, select the SIM. Tap on Call Forwarding. Make sure all forwarding options are turned off. Check your network signal. Now take a look at the signal bars at the top of your screen. Go near a window, or step outside for a better reception. Sometimes the issue is simply poor network coverage in that area. Reinsert your SIM card. Take a SIM ejector tool. Locate the SIM tray on the side of your phone. Remove the tray and take out the SIM card. After some time, place it back properly on your phone. This helps your phone reconnect to the cellular network. After doing this, restart your phone. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on System. Tap on Reset Options. Then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Enter the mobile PIN to reset. Wait for your phone to reconnect to the network. Update your phone's software. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and click on System Update. Tap on Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates often fix network and call-related bugs. Contact your carrier. If you've tried everything and your phone still isn't receiving calls, the issue might be with your mobile carrier, it's best to reach out to them for further support. And that's it.